Xylon is one of the early adopters of AMD AI solutions for adaptive system-on-chips. Over the years, we have built extensive expertise through both internal and customer projects focused on AI at the edge, especially in computer vision applications. In this field, Xylon supports the entire development chain, from data acquisition and machine learning to the selection and optimization of deep neural networks for the most efficient and heterogeneous AMD adaptive SoC resources. We also provide logicBRICKS IP cores and advanced design services for complete architectural optimization of AMD adaptive SoCs. To simplify the use of these powerful devices for AI engineers, we developed logicBRICKS Computer Vision AI Framework. The framework abstracts the complexity of adaptive SoCs and allows engineers to focus entirely on AI development, without worrying about low-level hardware architectural details. Using simple scripting, AI engineers can control real-time video transformations from one or multiple cameras. They do not need to manage interface specifics or advanced pre-processing tasks such as lens correction, 3D video texturing, or camera system calibration. The framework enables real-time calculation of 3D world coordinates for every video pixel. Video transformations are optimized using dedicated hardware accelerators implemented in programmable logic. This allows the reuse of existing training datasets. For example, fisheye video can be corrected to work seamlessly with AI detectors trained on near field of view cameras. Our AI framework is modular by design, and its deterministic pipeline guarantees predictable system latency, a critical requirement for real-time application. In short, with Xylon's framework, AI engineers can abstract away SoC's architectural complexity and concentrate on DNN deployment. The framework supports standard Vitis AI libraries, model training in PyTorch and TensorFlow, customization of the model zoo, optimization for the deep learning processor unit, and final compilation into binary for deployment on the adaptive SoC. Our hardware demonstration platform is based on the AMD VK280 evaluation board featuring the AMD Versal AIH devices. Using Xylon GMSL2 FMC add-on board, we can connect up to 4 high-resolution video cameras. For development and demonstration purposes, we have also integrated Xylon's Logic Recorder data logger with hardware-in-the-loop capabilities. This enables a complete agile system where the Versal adaptive SoC can be simulated either with raw video recorded from the real test vehicles or with fully synthetic simulated data. Let's look at several AI application examples running on this platform. In this simulated scenario, 4 virtual fisheye cameras are mounted on the forklift. The Versal adaptive SoC stitches the 4 video stream into spherical on-screen view. Rotated, scaled, and cylindrically dewarped off-screen video stream feed the NPU running an object detection AI model. Here, the scene is rendered from a virtual camera positioned at the drone center. Because of the virtual camera is close to the physical cameras, distortion is minimal. This proximity enables clean geometric stitching. Traffic participants are detected and overlaid on the stitched video. Detection accuracy is slightly lower, as the AI models were not originally trained for this specific viewpoint. 4 surround view cameras are used in the mode that combines object detection and object reconstruction. Traffic participants are detected across all camera inputs, and reconstructed objects are displayed as coarse 3D cuboids around the vehicle. As demonstrated, the logicBRICKS Computer Vision AI framework significantly simplifies and accelerates the development of AMD adaptive SoC-based edge AI systems. It supports a wide range of markets, including aerospace and defense, industrial automation, automotive, surveillance, agriculture, and many others. Xylon offers free evaluation of this comprehensive AI framework. For more information about the framework and other Xylon products, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching.